As Nigeria celebrates its 65th independence anniversary, the Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization, or Anaeze Ndigbo, has called on Nigerians and their leaders to move beyond fanfare and instead embrace sober reflection on the true quality of life in the country. In a statement titled Nigeria at 65, A Time for Reflection, Renewal and National Rebirth, issued by its National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Ezechi Chukwu, the group stressed the need for equity, justice, and inclusive governance in order to heal national division and chart a more progressive path forward. Ohanaeze emphasized that Nigerians' unity can only be sustained if all regions feel a sense of belonging, urging the government to prioritize fairness in political representation, resource distribution, and developmental projects. The group concluded by calling the anniversary an opportunity for national rebirth, a chance to confront past failures and renew the collective commitment to building a just and prosperous Nigeria. The Northern Nigerian Minority Group (NNMG) has called on citizens across ethnic, religious, and political divides to renew their faith in the Nigerian government project. In a statement issued in Abuja on Tuesday, the group's convener, Mr. Jacob Eddy, and the Kakaki Basenj congratulated the government and people of Nigeria, describing the milestone as another opportunity for unity and the pursuit of a nation of all citizens can be proud of. According to Eddy, the anniversary provides a moment of sober reflection on Nigerians' journey of nationhood. It noted that over the past 6.5 decades, the country's unity has been tested repeatedly, but has endured through resilience, patience, and shared hope. It reaffirmed the group's belief in Nigerians' potential, urging leaders and citizens alike to recommit themselves to building a stronger, indivisible nation founded on justice, peace, and progress. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abbas Judy, has congratulated Nigerians on the nation's 65th independence anniversary, urging citizens to look ahead with renewed hope and optimism. In his goodwill message, Speaker Abbas acknowledged Nigeria's long and checkered journey, but emphasized that the years ahead promise unity, growth, and prosperity. He enlightened the country's abundant human and natural resources, calling for collective efforts to build a nation of our dream regardless of religious, ethnic, or political differences. Abbas expressed confidence that the ongoing implementation of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda has set the country on the right course, positioning Nigeria to reclaim its place as Africa's largest economy. He further assured Nigeria that the 10th House of Representatives remains committed to accountable leadership, good governance, and delivering the dividends of democracy, particularly at the grassroots level. Thanks for stopping by.